go. Local search marketing is something that I'm really excited about. It's a huge opportunity for local businesses to really show up at the top of the search engines for a lot of different types of searches. It's incorporated with something called Google My Business, where you actually put your business listing on the Google platform itself, fill out some information, we take care of all of that for you, and it lets you actually be found on the map. So if you do a search for certain keywords, it will bring up a map listing with a bunch of different pins that have letters on them. That's really what local search marketing is about. It's handled a little differently than kind of traditional SEO, but it goes hand in hand with it. So really to maximize your impact, you want to be able to do both. You want to be able to have a digital marketing company and search engine optimization company that can handle both things seamlessly for you.